What's up, Sour Slices? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am excited to show you guys this package and what is inside of this package, because this package is from Brick Republic. You know Brick Republic there, where I get all my Lego guns and hats and stuff, but they also are the sponsor of today's video. Brick Republic are the #1 reseller for Brick Arms products. Brick Arms make awesome Lego guns, helmets, and vests, and they're all Lego compatible, so anything you get from Brick Arms will fit into a minifigure's hands or onto a base plate. Brick Republic have lots of products to choose from and lots of weapons packs to save money on. So, if you want to get, let's say, a bunch of guns, you can probably find a modern combat pack that will save you money because it's a bundle pack. So, it's really cool. Speaking of, they ship free. That's right, free. If you spend 30 US or 39 Canadian, you will get free shipping. So, if you're spending $25 on guns, why not add an extra $5 worth of guns just so you can get that free shipping, because everyone loves free shipping. They ship worldwide, so no matter where you live, in China, in Canada, in Africa, they will ship to you because worldwide shipping is awesome. Also, you can use our custom code SOURSLICE at checkout, as you can see on, to save yourself 10%. Everyone loves saving, so why not check out our awesome code? Link in the description, check out Brick Republic. So guys, I have this package to open, and basically it is full of awesome new Lego products that I have to show you guys, so we're just going to go ahead and open it right away. So guys, as you can see, they send everything neatly in bags, and they give you even a business card, so this is very cool. There's information about them on the back. They're a toy store. They're in Quebec, in Canada, Canadian company. So check them out. I'll just put it right there for now. I think I'm going to save this for last. This is a Brick Arms M2 Heavy Browning. And I'll start off with this pack full of weapons and stuff. So, everything is shipped neatly in bags, and every time you order something from Brick Arms, if you order one thing or 30 things, they will give you a free weapon as a thank you. So they actually give 2 free weapons because they're just that cool. So as you can see, what they've given to me is this blue TT, and these free weapons will come in any color, so colors that you can't even get on the website. Like this one time I got a see-through rifle. It was pretty cool. So these weapons, they're anything from their store, and they're always in awesome colors. So I got this blue TT pistol, as you can see, and also this tan, I think, TMP submachine gun. So that is very cool, guys. No matter what you order, they will give you something free. And I'll move on to the actual product stuff, so I'll put these sort of in the middle here. And I am on my phone, not my camera, because my camera has this really annoying white noise sound for some reason now. So yeah, I guess I'll start off with these vests. So these 2 vests are Brick Arms, and they're very cool. They're olive green. This one on the left here is the Brick Arms Operator Vest. It is very cool. It's got 3 magazines on the front, and these are all very detailed too, from stuff like little lines in the magazines and all that stuff. On the back, there is a stud, so you can put anything there, like a plate if you wanted to, or you can even stick another minifigure to the back. But yeah, that is the Operator Vest. Now I'll show you guys the Specialist Vest. The Specialist Vest is just like the Operator Vest, except it has more pouches. So it's got 3 closed pouches on the front and 2 little pistol pouches on the side. And it is very cool, very detailed, very small. Fits on a minifigure, which I will show just right now. Let me grab our little Spider-Man. And I will just put it on him just like that, as you can see. Very cool. Bulletproof Spider-Man. So I'll just leave him in the background, I guess. So I'll show the next things, which are these really cool fast helmets. Now, these aren't Brick Arms products. It is from Combat Brick, which they also have on their website. They have a bunch of retailers on their website. They have stuff from Brick Arms, Combat Brick, SI Dan, Tiny Tactical, and lots more. So if you like Star Wars, they have plenty of Star Wars products, custom helmets, and just armors and everything. So these are little fast helmets, and they're very cool. These are like Special Forces helmets, what you see in movies like the Navy SEALs wear, and these are very cool because they can actually hold night vision goggles. That's what this little hole is for. They make night vision goggles, but unfortunately they were sold out, so I couldn't pick any. But it is very cool, night vision goggles, so you can make your Lego figures go dark. I also picked 2 of them in dark green to fit with sort of the olive vests. I'll just put this on Spider-Man to show you guys. As you can see, fits very nicely, just like a helmet. Now, the fast helmet is a little bit higher because it is a fast helmet, and these in real life are meant for pretty much mobility and not like a combat helmet, which I have down there, which I might show later. I'll just zoom in a bit, and I'll move on to the guns. So I'll start off with these 2 guns. These are 2 FALs, or I'm pretty sure they're called SA-58s. So these 2 FALs are called the NATO rifle on their website, and they're very cool. They're nicely scaled. They're long. They have this little holding handle. So let's see if that actually. Okay, so the holding handle is a little bit small for minifigures, but it doesn't matter because they can still hold it in their hands just like that, and they can hold it. Oh, I ripped off his hand. And they can hold it from anywhere else pretty much. So he can hold it from the barrel. He can hold it from the stock. He can just hold it from anywhere. And that is what I really like about BrickArms products. So I picked 2 of those just because they're very cool rifles, and I wanted to have 2 of them. So I'll show you guys this. This is an AKS-74U. Now, this is also very detailed, from everything from the fire rate selector to the charging handle. Even the iron sights are there, and it is very nice. It's got a skeleton stock. Instead of just doing fill, they actually detail it and hollow out the stock like it is in real life. And it is very nice. It's got a nice magazine. And yeah. This is called the AK APOC. It is on their website. I'm pretty sure it's just like a post-apocalyptic AK because it's a little bit different than the regular AKM that they have on their website. So as you can see, it's got a nice handguard. It's got rear iron sights and a skeleton back stock. So here's the regular AK from their website, the AKM. As you can see, they are pretty different. I do like the APOC one quite a bit. It's nice looking. Looks custom, like hand built. The magazines are the same curvature on both of them. But yeah, other than that, very nice looking weapon. Right here is the SV98, or the Dragunov sniper rifle. On their website, it is called the AKSV. Sorry for the camera shaking. It is called the AKSV on their website. Probably might just be to avoid copyright, but it looks a lot like an AK because it's a Dragunov, and all the Russian guns look the same to me. AKs, Dragunovs, all their stuff. So it's got a shorter mag than the AKs, and it also has a scope on top. It is very nice. Now, this scope, it's hard to see on camera, but if you look down there, it is not directly centered, and I like how that's realistic because on real life Dragunovs, stock ones, they don't have rails on the dust cover on the top. You actually mount them to the side right here, and that's what this one has done. As you can see from those 2 lines, it is mounted to the side of the gun, so underneath here it's not actually attached, and that is very cool. It's also, I think that's a suppressor on it, so you can keep quiet. The next thing is this other sniper rifle. It is basically it's called an SR-25. It is basically an M16 sniper rifle variant. It's American, obviously. It's the only American gun that I ordered on this, actually. I think the FAL might be American, but that's about it. It's suppressed, as you can see, and it's got a nice scope. I had one of these a while ago, but I think I lost it. So I just wanted to get another one just so I could have it. And it's very cool. It's got detail from this stuff from the where the bullets come out of. I don't exactly know what that's called, but it's got the charging handle at the back too, and it is all in all just very cool. And there's your fire rate selector. Very neat. So the next thing is this AK-12. This is very cool on their website because it's different from the AK-47s. It's more modern. Whoa, camera's shaking. It's more modern than the AK-47 because this has a scope on it, and it's got rails instead of the well, I should say AKM. Instead of the AKM, which just has a flat, smooth dust cover. This one's got rails, so you can attach minifigure stuff to it. This is also different from the AKM because it's an AK-12, so it shoots 5.45. Therefore, it has this different magazine. The AKM has a metal magazine. This one's got a plastic magazine. Other than that, it is still very cool. I like this modernized stock, too. It's got a carbine stock rather than a solid stock like most of the other AKs. And I really like it. So the next 2 things are 2 of the same gun. These are AK-74s with grenade launchers. Underneath them, that is the GP25 grenade launcher. As you can see, It is very cool. I have an M4 with grenade launcher on one of my minifigures. I will just grab it right now in a second. So as you can see, this AK grenade launcher is different than the American M4 grenade launcher. That is an M203 mounted on this M4 rifle, whereas this AK is a GP25, and I just still think it's very cool. Same magazine as the AK-12 over there, but other than that, very cool, very nice gun. And I got 2 of those. Now right here I picked 5 of these Brick Arms rockets in silver just because I think they are pretty cool looking. And you know, you can use them in any sort of builds or stop motions, and they are very nice. They fit in minifigures' hands perfectly, which I will show, so I'll just give it to Spider-Man. There you go. Spider-Man is holding a rocket now. So I'll show the next thing, which I got, which is this crate. So I picked out this crate so I could put stuff like weapons in, or maybe those rockets, because this is very useful in custom builds. And these all stick to regular Lego grounds, so as you can see, sticks perfectly. And it is just a very nice box. I have one with printing on it. It is gray. I don't exactly know where it is right now, but it is basically the same thing but gray, and it has writing on it. And this box is very cool because it can hold almost probably everything I ordered. It can hold a lot of the guns I ordered. If I take out the rockets, I'll show you guys that it can hold just so many of these guns. And you don't need to keep the lid on, so it can just have a bunch of guns inside. I think that's about 7 guns right now. I can probably fit more if I tried. But yes, this crate is very cool, fits lots of stuff. And yeah, a pretty good purchase, if you ask me. Now the last thing, which is the one I am most excited for on this order, is the Brick Arms M2 Heavy Browning Heavy Machine Gun with M3 tripod. This is very awesome. This is a United States 50 caliber machine gun, and it is really cool. So I'm just going to open it up right now. And I'm just going to pour it out here. Now, the cool thing with this is that you get to assemble it yourself. So, it comes with instructions right there on the back, as you can see. So I'm just going to put those there. And I'm going to really quickly get to assembling it, so it won't be hard. Basically, you just attach the legs to the tripod. And attach the front leg. Now, with the gun, we mount the hand rails, or the hand holders, whatever, to the back. I put it on the wrong way. To the back right here. That is what your minifigure holds to shoot. This is where you mount it onto the gun. Here we have our barrel. Very nice, very long. And we have our magazine box, and I'm pretty sure that goes on the left side. Yeah, it's on the left in the picture, so I'm going to do it on the left. Oh, you can see what side it goes on because of the way the bullets face. There you go. Very cool, very detailed too. And I will just put this in the tripod now. And we have our, oh, it's not in. And we have our Brick Arms M2 Heavy Browning machine gun. Very, very cool. Indeed. Now, also, again, this is holdable by any minifigure. Anywhere, pretty much. So you can hold the barrel if you want. Or you can hold the back right here and control it while shooting. Very, very interesting, very cool. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, then please do be sure to leave a like. If you're new here, subscribe. And remember to check out Brick Republic in the description. Use code SOURSLICE. It will be in the description for you guys to copy and paste when you use it at checkout. Save yourself 10% on your orders. And I will see you all in the next video. Stay sour.